Hello, good afternoon guys. I'm going to clinic. This morning I'll go there. I went to the clinic morning. Then the doctor said, you come back afternoon for the injection. The doctor only gave morning medicine. And then he said, you come back because I don't want to give you injection if you did not eat. You eat first, then you come back. Then now I will come back for the injection. Sana mawala na tong sakit ng ano ko. Back pain and shoulder pain, chest pain, puro skitty. Hinga ka ng ano, parang ang sakit-sakit, parang tinutusok ng karayo. Sakit. Kaya kailangan kong magpa-inject. Kaya parang pain reliever yata yan. Walking lang guys, going to the clinic. Walking. Medyo madilim na. 5 more na kasi guys. PM. Yeah. Medyo madilim na. Lakad lang. Let's like and share guys. Watch my videos. Thank you so much. Ito po yung ginagawa pang building. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Oras na naman ang dasal nila ng mga araw. Prayer time.